Welcome to FETW Insights Daily Iron Ore and Steel Updates 3rd June 2026. Hi, I am Shubhankar. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. The SGX contract settled at 103.65 US dollars per DMT in the noon closing hours, down by 1.50% from the previous settlement of 105.23 US dollars per ton. Prices traded within a relatively narrow range of 103.60 to 104.90 per ton, with selling pressure emerging throughout the day and pushing the contract close to its session low. The decline reflects cautious market sentiment amid concerns over weaker steel demand and slowing construction activity in China, the world's largest iron ore consumer. Additionally, expectations of adequate iron ore supply from major exporters and persistent uncertainty surrounding China's property sector weighed on market confidence. Overall, today's price movement suggests that bearish demand expectations continue to outweigh near-term support from steel mill restocking activity. Turning to the Indian domestic market. The Indian domestic steel market exhibited a mixed trend today, with prices showing varied movements across regions amid moderate buying activity and selective restocking. While some markets witnessed mild corrections due to cautious purchasing, others remained stable, supported by localized demand. Overall sentiment was balanced as buyers continued to monitor market developments closely, resulting in region-specific price adjustments rather than a broad-based directional trend. Pellet prices in India varies between 7,900 to 8,650 per ton. Ex-barbell price is up by 400 to 500 rupees. Pellet sponge trading levels around 24,600 to 24,700 in Raipur. Price is up by 100 to 200 rupees. Domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 38,800 to 38,900. Price is up by 50 to 100 rupees. Rebar trading levels at Raipur 41,700 to 41,800 for the grade Fe 500. Price is up by 50 to 100 rupees. However, in southern India, the trading levels between rupees 44,000 to 45,500. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FETW Insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, join our community group through the link in the description to connect and engage further.